Okay, we're going to be adding and subtracting fractions and then converting the final answer into a mixed number for V38. Okay, so let's get a common denominator in order to add these. So my timetables for 3, 6, and 9. My two timetables is 2, 4, and 6. And already we have a common multiple here, which is 6. So in the 3 timetables, 1, 2, the multiple for 6 is 2. So it's times 2 times 2. For the 2 timetables, the multiple to get to 6 is 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's times 3 times 3. Okay, now let's multiply those and see what we get. Okay, 5 times 2 and 3 times 2 will be 10 and 6. 1 times 3 and 2 times 3 will be 3 and 6. Now I'll add my 10 over 6 and my 3 over 6 together, and we're going to get 13 over 6. Okay. Now let's start some division to turn this into a mixed number. Let's see, we have 6 here and 13 there. 6 can only go in there 0 times. But the closest we can go to 13 using the 6 timetables is the number 12. 12 is the closest we can get to 13. The multiplier from 6 to 12 is 2. 2 times 6 gives you the 12. So let's subtract these two, and we end up with 1. So now we have our remainder. Or our remainder will give us our fraction. So we have 2, 1, and 6. So this will be 2, 1, and 6. And there's our mixed number. Next, we want to subtract these two. We need a common denominator. So I want 2 timetables will be 2, 4, and 6. And the 6 timetables will be 6, 12, and 18. And the common multiple for this will be 6. So the 2 timetables, this is 1, 2, 3, which is times 3, times 3. And for 6, this is the first one, so it's times 1, times 1. So what we end up getting here is 7 times 3 and 2 times 3. 7 times 3 will be 21. 2 times 3 will be 6. This should be a subtraction. Okay, 1 times 1 is 1, and 6 times 1 is 6. So we have 21, take away 1. So we're going to subtract those, and we're going to get 20 over 6. Okay, now we're going to divide these. So 6 goes into 20. Okay. Now, for this, 6 is not going to 2, so that's a 0. The closest I can get to 20 with the 6 timetables is 18. So 18 is the closest. And the multiplier for that will be 3 times 6 is 18. And we'll subtract those, and we end up with 2. I know it looks like a decimal, but it's not. It's a 0. So 3, 2, and then 6. So now we have a 3. Here's a 2. And there's a 6. Now this can be simplified. So we're going to divide both of these by 2. And we now end up with 3, 1, third. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3.